Okay, in this exercise, what we want to do is check to make sure there's at least a year of data before calculating the deposit insurance value, right? And so I give you, and then, if there's not, maybe return a message notifying the user. So as a hint, I mention we can check the shape of the temp variable. So going up here, I've added in sort of a solution here. So we have this temp variable, and what we want to do is we want to say if there are fewer than 4 rows, print there's not enough data for this, and this lets us know what bank it is, right? So this is going to say not enough data, and then it's going to insert the IDR or SSD, the unique identifier for the bank. So if there's fewer than 4 quarters, right, then print this out letting us know, and then it goes to the next one. However, if this is not true, then run through here and calculate the value. So the control flow is basically saying if there's if not enough data, notify the user, and if there is enough data, then go through and do the calculations. So we can go ahead and run this. And then what we can do is we can, here, this is just our set of banks, and we can go in and use this new function on this set of banks and get our deposit insurance values, and we can see that there's not enough data for these banks right here. So in this set of 102 banks, I guess it is, we have, what is this, 6 banks that don't meet our criteria. If we go ahead and look at the deposit insurance values, what we see, however, is that it's put in none for the banks for which we don't have data. And that will cause a problem when we go in to calculate this mean, because it says none type is not enterable, meaning it can't calculate the mean with those nuns in there. So what we have to do is get rid of the nuns if we want to calculate the mean. And I'm doing this here by just saying, with this list comprehension, that return X for X in the deposit insurance values if it's not equal to none, fundamentally. So I'm just saying, what this does is it's going to extract all the nuns. So there should be no nuns left in here. And we can go ahead and check if we'd like to make sure my code works. And there we go. We have all the nuns have been removed, and we can calculate the mean. So there we go. Excellent.